Hello, I'm Victor. Today we'll explore the various holidays taking place on April 22nd. Prepare to have fun with loved ones or simply relax on your own. Happy birthday to those celebrating today. You might discover a holiday below that's perfect for your special day. Earth Day. Earth Day is an annual event celebrated worldwide on April 22nd to demonstrate support for environmental protection and raise awareness about various environmental issues. It was first celebrated in 1970, and today it includes events and activities organized by governments, non-governmental organizations, educational institutions, and communities in more than 190 countries. Earth Day was founded by U.S. Senator Gaylord Nelson, who was inspired to create a national day to focus on the environment after witnessing the devastating effects of the 1969 oil spill in Santa Barbara, California. The first Earth Day mobilized millions of Americans and led to the creation of the United States Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, and the passage of critical environmental laws, such as the Clean Air Act, Clean Water Act, and the Endangered Species Act. The focus of Earth Day has evolved over the years, addressing various environmental issues such as pollution, climate change, deforestation, and endangered species. Some common Earth Day activities include planting trees, cleaning up litter, recycling drives, environmental education initiatives, and campaigns to reduce plastic waste. In God We Trust Day. In God We Trust Day is an unofficial observance held on April 22nd in the United States. This day commemorates the anniversary of the inclusion of the phrase "In God We Trust" on U.S. coins, which first appeared on the 2-cent coin in 1864. The phrase "In God We Trust" has a long history in the United States, with origins dating back to the country's founding. The phrase was first suggested for U.S. coinage during the Civil War, in response to increased religious sentiment at the time. Secretary of the Treasury Salmon P. Chase received numerous appeals from devout citizens requesting that the nation recognize its reliance on God. As a result, Chase instructed James Pollock, director of the Mint, to prepare a motto for U.S. coins. Pollock proposed a few different variations, but "In God We Trust" was ultimately chosen. In 1956, "In God We Trust" was officially adopted as the national motto of the United States. The following year, it began appearing on paper currency. Girl Scout Leader Appreciation Day. Girl Scout Leader Appreciation Day is celebrated annually on April 22nd in the United States. This day is dedicated to recognizing and showing appreciation for the hard work, dedication, and commitment of Girl Scout leaders and volunteers who help shape the lives of young girls in the Girl Scouts program. Girl Scout leaders and volunteers play a crucial role in guiding, mentoring, and supporting the growth and development of young girls. Through various activities, events, and programs, Girl Scout leaders help girls build character, develop life skills, and learn the importance of community service and teamwork. The positive influence of these leaders can have a lasting impact on the girls' lives, well beyond their time in the Girl Scouts program. This day is an opportunity to celebrate the individuals who dedicate their time and energy to empowering young girls and fostering their growth as future leaders and responsible citizens. National Jelly Bean Day. National Jelly Bean Day is celebrated annually on April 22nd in the United States. It is a day to appreciate and enjoy the colorful and flavorful jelly bean candies that have been popular for generations. Jelly beans are small, bean-shaped candies with a soft, chewy center and a firm, sugar-coated shell. They come in a wide variety of flavors, from classic fruit flavors to more exotic and unique tastes. While the origins of National Jelly Bean Day are unclear, the day is an opportunity for people to indulge in their favorite jelly bean flavors and share them with friends and family. Some people might also take the opportunity to learn about the history of jelly beans, which dates back to at least the 19th century. To celebrate National Jelly Bean Day, you can enjoy a handful of your favorite jelly beans, try new and unusual flavors, or even host a jelly bean-themed party or gathering. You could also create jelly bean art or use them in creative recipes and desserts. This sweet day is all about having fun and enjoying the simple pleasure of these colorful and tasty candies. National Day of Puppetry. The National Day of Puppetry is celebrated annually on the fourth Saturday of April in the United States. This day is dedicated to promoting the art of puppetry and showcasing its rich history, diversity, and creativity. Puppetry is an ancient art form that has been used in various cultures around the world for storytelling, entertainment, and education. The National Day of Puppetry is sponsored by the Puppeteers of America, a national organization that supports and promotes the art of puppetry. On this day, puppeteers, enthusiasts, and organizations across the country organize and participate in various events and activities, such as puppet shows, workshops, demonstrations, and exhibitions. That's it for today, and have a fantastic time celebrating.